Sunday morning. I'm still suffering from a little sinus from last week, but it is 9:15 a.m. I just got a call, an emergency call from a tree company. Apparently last night a tree fell on a house. I don't know, house, yard, whatever. But they want me to do the stump. They're sitting there waiting on me on a Sunday morning. Normally I'd say no, but hey, I'm a whore. I was up anyway. So follow me, let's see what we got, and let's take care of it and get back home. Hopefully we'll be back home within 2 hours total. Grind, drive, back, forth, everything. Let's see what happens. Well, we're pulling up. It took about 10 minutes to get here. I'm in a very upscale, older neighborhood. So give me a second, let's see what we're doing.
The thing is slit.
So tell me, what the hell are we doing on a Sunday morning? What happened?
The tree fell over.
What is it anyway? I can't really tell.
Some type of sugar maple or something.
Okay, it does look like a maple, but some kind of garbage. All right, go ahead. Okay, here's the completed job. Look how much mulch came out. Yard smooth. Yeah. Put them up there. Let me tell you something about this stump. Woo! Well, took 30 minutes to do the stump, 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back. So it's been 1 hour. Then if you saw at the end of the video, you saw how much chips I had. I had half a bed of chips. He paid me to haul those. Made it easy for everybody, in and out. I needed the chips anyway because they're mostly all dirt, because that was a maple tree. It wasn't a silver maple, it was a sugar maple. Sugar maples, twice the width of that stump underground. They have like a little hump. You have to break through the spider web root system. So if you have a smaller stump grinder, you got to go further out from the stump. Remember, you're going to take away the hump too. Okay, you just don't want to do the stump and then they take away the chips and there's a hump leading up to the stump. All right, so I had all that, and the outer part, after you break through that spider web, it's mostly dirt you're grinding up. So the landscapers are coming back in. They're going to put sod and topsoil, blah blah blah. I took away the chip stuff. Let me show you what it is. Hold on. I had a purpose for it at my house. I had a drainage ditch here that was pitched too too much of a V. The guy cut it with a county. So I'm not putting a nice pitch in it. It worked perfect. Mostly all dirt. It'll decompose real fast. Later on, when it cools down, I mean, we got another week of 100 coming. I'm gonna dress this with a nice topsoil, the whole thing nice, and dress it with my tractor blade. Okay, anyway, God bless you. Sunday, I'm already home, and it's you know, it's not even 11 o'clock yet. The wife's probably just getting up, making breakfast. I stopped and already had me a little, you know, something from the convenience store. Have a good one, guys.